US crude traded in a fairly narrow range. It breached 79.8 levels on the downside, but failed to stay below 79.8, and again recovered. At the same time, it failed to stay above 81 levels also. At the same time, nat gas has shown a very good reversal. A very good rise has been seen, and a single strong green bullish candle has been seen. So now what to expect? Is this the reversal for nat gas? And when we can expect a breakout from crude oil? Is it going to drop or is it going to rise? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. I will give you the trading levels also. So do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily twice a day analysis. In fact, this is the first update. The second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into US crude followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, see on the hourly charts right now US crude is showing a reversal here, taking the support at 79.8. I told you yesterday also 79.8. You should watch out for 79.8, 79.4. This is a very strong support zone for crude oil, and any move below 79.4 should be considered seriously, and it is going to trade bearish below those levels. Now right now it is showing a reversal. Wait for 80.2 to be breached, and then you can expect 80.5, and in fact beyond that 80.8, 81 level. See, 81 is something I'll wait for it to break out. Beyond that, certainly 81, 81.2 till 81.2. Be cautious, be alert, and any move above these levels certainly should be taken up seriously, and it is going to fly. Right now it is showing a reversal sign on the hourly charts, and hence a little rise cannot be denied. The stochastic back to overbought levels. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry here. It is looking forward to rise again, but let's wait for a crossover. RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, yes, there is a gap to be filled on the downside. However, there is very strong support here, 79.8, 79.5 levels. See, multiple candles refraining from breaking below 79.5 levels, 79.8 levels, and hence these levels should be very strong support levels for crude, and only if it breaks on the downside below 79.4 you can stay short. But at the same time, one must look at, see, lower highs are seen here, lower highs and flat bottom. This is trying to show a little squeeze, and possibly for the day, once it stays above, see on the 2-hour charts also it is showing a slight reversal. You can say after flat bottom there is a reversal sign, and now trying to it is looking forward to come at par with these kind of close at 80-30, 80-40 levels. So yes, certainly little more resistance every 20 cents till 81.2 exists, and if you are taking a position, be alert till then. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone, the MACD bearish trying to converge here, and the RSI trying to look upwards. And if you are looking at 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts too, after showing a reversal, it is trying to rise. It can probably try to either give you lower highs at 80.6, or in fact can recover till towards 81 also. Any bullish confirmation is if it trades above 81, 81.2 levels. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is bearish trying to converge a bit. RSI trying to look upwards, it show a little strength. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, after the reversal sign, it is the first green candle. We can expect second and third green candle too. It may try to take it till towards 80.8, 81 levels. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is bearish. The RSI is trying to look upwards and shows slight strength. And now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, flat bottom at multiple candles, but lower highs. So this is kind of a squeeze here. That is what it needs to break out 81, 81.2 levels, certainly above which it is going to fly high. And where this candle closes, because see, this is the carryover from yesterday's candle. Today's candle is yet to form. I'll wait for it to break past. And yes, 79.8, 79.5 levels it needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness. Those who wants to trade safe should wait for 79.4 to be breached and 81.2 to be breached on the upside. In this zone, on the upside and downside, be very cautious and alert. Do not trade till 79.4 and 81.2 levels. Those who want to risk a little can buy here at 80.2 levels. Expect 80.4, 80.6, 80.8, 81, 81.2 till 81.2. Keep a trailing stop loss or 20 cents. See, for you maybe 20 cents movement in oil does not matter, but for me it is big, and hence you have to put a trailing stop loss of 20 cents. Let it swing, let it enjoy. let it enjoy the ride. And for us it is most important to preserve our capital, and that is why it is important to put a trailing stop loss. On the downside you can sell at 79.8, but then till 79.4 20% stop loss, and below 79.4 further drop can be expected. So take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my 21st mentorship batch. It starts on 17th of April. Registrations are open. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at net gas on the hourly chart. See, net gas on the hourly charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. There is a breakout here. It breached past 2.3 levels. And yes, beyond 2.3, we have to expect that it is going to hit past 2.5, 2.8 and 3 levels. So I'll wait for it to break past 2.3 again in order to confirm bullishness. Yes, you can buy here at 2.28. Expect it to break past 2.3, 2.32, and then we can expect directly it to hit 2.4 and plus levels. Also remember, higher lows are seen. That means that any drop below 2.22 levels, that is the level below which only I will recommend you to sell, below which you can expect 2.2, 2.18 and in 2.160. Now it is given a breakout, and hence I expect it to continue with the bullish momentum for a little while. See, the stochastic trading flat, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell, and see, this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. I'll definitely watch out here, because see, it can cool down a bit before looking forward to a rally. The RSI has dropped strongly, and if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, first flat top, then looking down. This is the second red candle which we can expect. Higher lows, possibly it can breach past 2.24, but then a sell entry is only below 2.22 levels, below which 2.2, 2.18, and if it breaks below 2.18, then only further bearishness may prevail. The stochastic has dropped significantly. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. The RSI is trading overbought or near to overbought levels. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you are waiting for the second red candle. Previously, few candles, higher lows, flat top. On the upside, wait for it to break past 2.28. On the downside, wait for it to break past 2.22 levels. In fact, you can sell here at 2.24 itself, but then expect 2.22, 2.2 levels is a very good support here. The stochastic was overbought. Now looking down, the MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI trading flat near to the top there. And if you look at 4-hour on the 4-hour charts, to flat top, higher lows, wait for it to give a decisive move. The stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI flat. And if you look at daily charts, now look at daily charts here. 2.1 indeed a support. This is yesterday's candle which is breezed past 2.3. The second candle is something I'll wait for it to give, and I'll wait for the second candle to break past 2.3. So the next candle, whenever it is started, once it stays above 2.3, see 2.36 and 2.42 levels, this is something you should watch out for. Definitely second green candle may appear, and hence, in fact, till the time it stays above 2.2 to 2.2 levels, we can expect that we may see a bounce back. Stochastic flat, the MACD is in willing to cross over for a buy entry again here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also started to look upwards. Considering this, you can buy at 2.28 today and expect 2.3, 2.32, and beyond that 2.36, 2.4 levels can be expected. Beyond 2.4, further bullishness going to take it for 2.5, and then 2.83 levels can be expected in the near future. And on the downside, you can sell here at 2.24, but then expect 2.2 to 2.2 levels is a very good support, and below 2.0 you can expect a little more bearishness. 2.2 levels, below 2.2 it is, you can expect little more bearishness, where it might try to drop a little till towards 2.16 and 2.1 levels. Till the time it stays above 2.1, one can stay long. Possibly it is going to give it a good reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, and reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So possibly, remember, as I said, one green candle, second follow-up candle can be expected, and hence you should be watchful of 2.36, 2.42 zone. It can try to attempt and achieve these levels for once before it looks forward to any further reversal. So That's all from my side for the day. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.